One of the learning goals for our tour guide project is that you learn how to search Google Images for Creative Commons images that are freely available for you to use, and that you give credit to the person who created the images. So let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. Let's say you're looking for an image of Japantown in San Francisco. You'll do a Google image search for Japantown, San Francisco, and then you'll click here on Tools. And then under Usage Rights, you can either select Labeled for Reuse or Labeled for Non-Commercial Reuse. Both filters will return images that you're free to use. We'll choose Labeled for Reuse. Because of the shape of the window of Scratch, I'd say use something that's wider than it is tall, even if you like one of these kinds of images that's tall and a little bit narrower. Look for something that's wider than it is tall. So I'll click on this image, and let's say this is the image that I want to use. From here, I can hold Control and click or tap with my two fingers, and then select Save Image As. This is going to download this image to my computer, and you'll notice that the file name is some random numbers, so I'm just going to call it Japantown, and then I'll click Save. And remember, we discovered that when we clicked Share, we got a goo.gl link, and that's an image shortener, and we discovered that Scratch doesn't allow those. So on this image, if you click on it, it'll open a new tab, and you'll go to the website where this image actually exists. So then you'll click right up here in the URL. This is the address of the image. You can do Control C, which will copy the URL. And then if we go back to our Scratch project, and let's make sure we're on the project page, and in Notes and Credits, I'll just type out background images. And then the first one, I'll do Control V to paste. And this is my first credit for the first image I'm going to use in my project. Now if I go inside my project, and then I come down here to backdrops, choose a backdrop. If I upload a backdrop here, and then I make sure that I select the image I just downloaded, Japantown, and I click Open, that's going to upload my Japantown image to my project. And if I click back on See Project Page, I can add additional URLs here to give credit for the additional images that I use. Remember, your tour guide project needs at least 3 backgrounds, 3 of your favorite places in San Francisco that you're going to take us on a tour of. Make sure to put all of your credits right here for the images you use.